In this video, let us download and install Microsoft Power BI Desktop. It is only available for Windows operating system. We can download it from Microsoft official website. You can go to any search engine and search for Power BI Desktop. You can click on the link from Microsoft website. Here you can see the details and system requirements for it. Click on download. It will ask you whether you want to download 64-bit or 32-bit. Click on download. Now the software has been downloaded. Go to the path where you saved it. Double click on the installable and follow the instructions in the pop-up. It will complete the installation. Power BI Desktop has been installed now. That's it for this video. Thank you.